Hello guys, welcome to CloudBCLabs second part, demo section second part of token project. So in previous video I have already shown you how to make a smart contract in Solidity, and I have already explained you about the functions. So there are mainly, if you go through the previous function, there I explain you how to make this contract, how to pass these parameters, and there are mainly three functions. Request function for requesting token, so you have to send some amount of value and it will calculate the amount of token, dividing the value by price, and it will revert you the token amount. And there is transfer from function. Using this function you can transfer this some amount of your token which you have to your colleague or to the other person. And there is another sell function. This sell function is for if you don't need the amount of token you have, so you can sell it to the contract and you can get the money revert back. So now I explain it in the front end. So this is my front end. So if you check, when I click on these buttons, let me refresh it, and when I click on these buttons it is showing the value. So this is the value which I initialize in the parameter when in the beginning when I am trying to initialize the value here. So these are the values showing in the front end. Okay, so here there are four accounts. Basically for testing purpose I used four of my MetaMask account. So you can check this four account is same of my MetaMask 4 account. So like this. So account 1, there is balance 2.32 and there is also showing. So what I am doing, I am for testing purpose I create four account which I have in my MetaMask, and using this account I will now request some token, and I will sell or transfer some amount of token. Okay, so do that. So to do that, now check, still I don't request any amount of token. So my balance of token or for each for account is initially 0, and it is showing the ether balance. Now let's check for requesting some token. Suppose, let me give the name, so address. So account suppose think from account 2. Okay, from account 2, now it is the message center, or in other words this is my personal account. So from this account I am sending, now I want to send request to the contract that okay, I am sending you some amount of uh, ether value, so please send me equivalent number of token. So what I am doing now, I just copy the contract address and I just paste it here, and here I give the input too. So what I am doing, my name is Tony, my email, this is my email account, this is my contact address, which is the account number 2. So this is the contact address, and from this contact address I am sending 2 ether to the contract, and so means I am requesting some amount of, I am sending some amount of value, and it will calculate the amount of token and it will revert back me the number of token. So let's request token. So it will call MetaMask. So you guys already know that to run this function we need some gas amount. So here you can check the gas amount, and here you can check the gas price. So my it will deduct from my ether account ether value. So to basically to run this contract it needs some gas price or gas amount, and this gas amount will be uh, paid from my personal account. So let's accept it, and now let's check. So what I did, I just wait, just show you the values. So what I did, I sent a request from my account to the contract by sending 2 ether, and price of each token is 2 ether. So basically what will happen that I send 2 ether, so I should revert back 1 token because value of each token is 2. So now let's check it is mined or not. So it will basically take some time to mind. Okay, I think it's mined already. Okay, and now let's check what is the initial supply. So the initial supply should be 999 because I request, so because 1 token should be reverted back to my account. So now check. Okay, this is 999. Now check my token address, token value of my address. Okay, I got 1 token, and now check the ether value. And if you check, look, previously it was 5 ether, now it is 3 ether, means it is deduct 2 ether from my account because I just sent a request of 2 ether. It was, so it should be added to my contract address. Check it. Yeah, so my contract address is now there is 2 ether. So what happened, I sent a request of 2 ether. I sent a request to the contract, and the contract calculate the amount of token which I should get, and the contract send me the token value to my contract. Now now what happened, I request some amount of token. So next function is transfer token. So using this transfer token, I can send some amount of token from my account to my colleague's account or anyone other's account. To check this one, let's try, give a name. Let's try Shubhabrata, which is my name, from my address. So basically my address should be contact address 2 because this is the message center now. So copy this address, paste it here, and I want to send to suppose this account, contact 4, which already have 10 ether. So let's copy the address of account 4. So how to do that, there it is showing the contact address, and here is the option here in the right hand side for copying the address. So you can copy from here and you can paste it here, and how much amount I want to transfer. And basically I have only 1 token, so I just want to send 1 token. So what I am doing now, this is my name, I am giving my address, from address which is account 2. This receiver address should be to whom I want to send. So here I want to send it to token number 4, sorry, address number 4, and the amount is 1. So let's create the contract. There are some error in my name. I think it's exceed the length, so let's accept it. Now wait to mind it. And I want to tell you something that basically now what it is doing, it sends this content, this it's make a block from here, and it sends this block to the blockchain ledger, and there are lots of miners who are now, I need at least 50% of approval from them. So basically I need minimum 7 of 12 approve to mind it, and yes, it is already mined. So now let's check the balance of my contract 2. So it is 0, means I have already sent 1 ether to account number 4. And now let's check the token balance of account number 4. Okay, it is 1. So basically what I did, I just sent 1 token from my account to account number 4. And there is another function, this sell function. So if someone needs to don't need token, so he can sell those token. So basically what he can do, he can sell this token to the contract, and this contract will revert you the equivalent of money. So here name of account 4 is things, suppose, so from address should be from which account we want to send. So this should be the address of account number 4. So now let's go to the account number 4 and copy the address. This is account number 4, and let me copy it. Now paste it, and how much I want to sell, I am giving the value 1. Now click the button, accept it. Wait to remind it. Okay, it is already mined, and now let's check. So if I sell this amount, so my token balance should be 0. Okay, it is 0. Now the initial supply should be increased by 1 token, so it should be 1000. Okay, it is 1000, and these 2 ether which was in the contact address, it should be reverted to the contact number from 4 from which the token sold. So let's check. Okay, contact address is 0, so what this is this 2 ether, so this 2 ether should be added in contact number 4. So now let's check. This is 10. If I check it, look, this is 12. So it's done properly. So what I did here, I request some token from my contact number, contact address 1. I send the contact address 2. I transfer some amount from here to contact address 4, and I also sell the required amount, and I got the money reward back from the contact address. So this is what I am showing. This is what I think it's done, and let's meet in the next video. And in the next video I will show you how to create this content. Actually you can see this is this is running on localhost 3000, and to make this you have to learn how to make Meteor.js application. So in next video I will show you how to make Meteor application. Okay, bye bye. Let's hope you like this video. If you like, then give a like it. Thanks.